Good afternoon, East New York Middle School. My name is Mr. Monahan, and I have the honor of being the MC of the December Knights of the Round Table Assembly. Every year, in the beginning of the year when we start doing nights, we like to remind all of our students, what are we actually looking for tonight's summer? What are the tenets of knighthood? And usually somebody like me starts to talk about that we're looking for people who wear their armor, who show the traits of a good student, doing things like anti-bullying, resolving conflicts, making positive choices, offering help, or showing resiliency. Sometimes, though, it's better to hear it from one of your peers. So today, I've asked one of your peers to come down here and read to you her poem. I think her poem was fantastic. She entered it in a national-wide competition, and she actually won an Amazon gift card for her work, which was very impressive. The name of her poem is, I think, Advice for Aspiring Heroes, but I believe a name that we could use is Advice for Aspiring Knights. So at this time, I'd like to introduce Miss Macy McNabb to come up and read her poem for you.
If you want to be special, stop trying to blend in. If you want to make a difference, stop doubting yourself. If you want to influence others, stop ignoring your own advice. And if you want to teach, you need to learn. And you need to be humble to be exalted, and you need to bend down to be lifted up, and you need to help others to be helped. If you want to be a hero, you need to be willing to be saved.
Now hold on, please, Macy. Again, Macy entered her poem into the Scope Scholastic Poetry Contest, and it was a prize winner. She did win a gift card to Amazon. Her ELA teacher, Mrs. Barnhart, was extremely proud of her, and all of East New York School District is proud of her, and at this time, we'd actually like to offer Macy this certificate, showing her how much we appreciate having her with us at school. Thank you, Macy, for being asked tonight. You're welcome. Now, unfortunately, all of our students this year have been showing tremendous resiliency. Usually this is a much more joyous time, where you're down here and we have fun competitions like Hungry Hungry Hippos, or Mrs. Little's leading us through Simon Says, or we have our home run derby and stuff like that. But unfortunately, because of COVID, we're doing a little bit more social distancing. For that reason, we're doing our assemblies like we've been doing them. So I'm going to be calling down the December Knights. When your name is called, please come down to the gymnasium where we will socially distance you out so that you can be recognized. I'm going to start with the K-Team Knights. Grade 6, Nathaniel Brubaker. This knight participates in class, is always contributing profound answers. He strives to help teachers and classmates in person, on Google Meets, always offering technology suggestions. So Mr. Nathaniel Brubaker, please come on down. Next knight communicates with clarity, both in person and digitally, and makes sure her natural ability is put to good use. Caden Keeney, come on down, please. And our last K-Team Knight is a bright student who is a welcoming presence in the building wherever he goes, especially full of valuable insight during classroom discussions. Mr. Miles Davis, please come on down. Next, I'm going to do our LIU Knight. Our LIU Knight is a student who works hard to improve, helps his peer and staff, and comes to school happy daily. Jaden Hinkle, please come down to the gymnasium. I'm now going to go through our 6th grade Knights, and we'll get them with these Knights all lined up socially distant here. And for 6th grade, N Team. She is a polite and kind young lady. She is always ready to provide answers and insights, whether virtual or in person. Olivia Fulk, come on down, please. The next young gentleman, I hope he is watching us at home because he's one of our remote students. He's dedicated to his studies while always being respectful to his teachers and peers. He's helpful and resistant with any challenges that come his way. Michael Hamill. Mike, if you're at home, I hope you're seeing us. Congratulations, great job, guy, dealing with a resilient situation. We will get your rewards to you. She is a determined worker who strives for success. Her respect for her peers and teachers is admirable, and her work ethic is something to be proud of. Miss Addison Lucas, if you could come down, please. We have another remote student for the N team. He is an accountable and responsible student. He makes smart decisions and listens to opportunities to improve. I hope you're watching us, Micah, because your teachers think you're special. Micah Conover. I'm now going to do IT nights for 6th grade. This IT student displays a quiet eagerness to learn. He always does his best. His perpetual diligent work ethic and knowledge shines through to his classes. We are proud to acknowledge him as a knight this month. Anthony Borden, please come down to the gymnasium. Our next knight from the I team. Our confidence in this young lady to always do her best has not wavered. She's continually pushing herself to be the best student and the best learner she can be. She'll ask questions when she wants to learn more and ask if she needs any clarification. We are proud of her efforts and proud to knight her this month. Miss Olivia Klausman, come on down. Working to and beyond her best at all times. This knight demonstrates true work ethic in her classes. Her teachers and classmates notice her care and concern for her academics, and we are impressed with her focus on getting the job done. This knight is another student on the I team worthy of this award. Rayleigh Leschke, please come on down to the gym. Last night for 6th grade is quiet, yet still her positive qualities exhibit through to her peers and teachers. She's hardworking, polite, virtuous in all her interactions. We appreciate her as a student and a member of our 6th grade community. She makes us proud to recognize her as a knight this month. Miss Vivian Gambler, come on down, please. We're going to pan over and see and recognize our 6th grade knights here as they come down. I would now like to recognize our 7th grade knights. G Team. He is a remote student, and as a remote student, he has been actively engaged in every minute of every class. He reviews his assignments with meticulous focus on the details. I'm very happy tonight from our remote class, Lucas Grenier. The next night, hands in work that clearly goes well and above her teacher's expectations. Her polite and focused demeanor adds to her positive characteristics. I'd like to knight, personally, Abigail Fake. Next night for the G team has made significant gains in skill this year. He's focused on academic success and often checks to make sure his work is correct and complete. The G team would like to recognize and knight Peter Sadek. And the last G team knight to come down to the gym is a quiet and deep thinker. When she speaks, her words are wise and thoughtful. She shows concern for her grades when she works remotely and when she works in person. please come down to the gym. Miss Shelby Green. Knights for the H team. This knight is focused and a self-motivated leader who is eager to help her peers. Miss Leah Knoll, please come down to the gym. This creative knight is quiet, hard-working student who is unmatched. Please come down, Austin Prince for the H team. This next H team knight is an athletic knight and is engaged and active, in person or virtually, with many extracurricular activities. Mr. Brock Adams, please come down. Our last 7th grade knight for the H team. This orchestral knight is well-rounded. Orchestral, she's an orchestra, and she's resilient and focused in the face of any challenge. Please come down, Allison Woodring, for our last 7th grade knight for the month of December. As our 7th grade knights come down, a little pause. I'd like now to announce our last group of knights, our 8th grade knights, starting with the T team. This knight marches to the beat of her own drum. She is always on top of her work and willing to help others whoever she can. She may be quiet, but her work ethic speaks volumes. Ilyana Snyder, please come down. The next T team knight is a young lady who exemplifies what it means to be a knight. She treats others with kindness, has an amazing work ethic, and is always willing to lend a helping hand. Miss Henley Henkel, please come down. This student has been a great addition to his class this year. He is never afraid to speak up during his class discussions and offers his insights and thoughts to his teachers. His teachers are happy that he is on their team this year. Mr. John Torres, please come down. And the last team night. This guy's an academic superstar and an all-around great human being. His work ethic, attitude, and leadership skills and high standard of personal excellence are to be commended. Mr. Nick Elfner, please come down. I'm now going to introduce our S-Team Knights. The first S-Team Knight is a dedicated student who always leaves no stone unturned in pursuit of expanding her knowledge and perfecting her work. Annalise Brennenberg, please come down to the gym. The next S-Team Knight is one of the full-time remote students, so I hope she's watching. This student consistently brings her personal best each and every day to her remote learning experience. Miss Salome Sally Materia, please come on down. Actually, stay at home, don't come down. And the last S-Team Knight is a consistent class participator and is a willingness to help move our discussions along to make him a class leader. Carter Wamsley, please come on down to the gym. As our 8th grade knights are coming down here, I will go back to the words of Miss Macy, a very well-read poem one of your peers If you're looking to earn this honor this year, you want to listen to her words and maybe follow her advice. We are, of course, hoping, as the year goes on, to expand what we do here with our Rise assemblies, maybe get back to normal. And we hope to see all of you or any of you down here soon. Dr. Shoemaker, it's my honor to present you our December Knights of the Round Table. If you're ready to knight them.
Okay, I see we're all spread out. So if you guys want to move down so that you're on the dotted line so that we're somewhat in the same. Yep. Stop there. You're good. Keep going all the way down. Good. Together. And then if you want to get down on one knee, please. By the powers vested in me by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, the County of York, the Township of Lower Windsor, and the Eastern York School District, I do hereby knight you for the month of December 2020 with all the responsibilities and privileges due to you. Congratulations. Okay, you can stand up.
Knights, if you don't mind, hang out a little bit. We got a few things to give and go over with you, okay? All you out there, I hope to see some more of you down here very soon when we have our next assembly in February. Later in February, for our January Knights. Have a great weekend. Go Chiefs, go Buccaneers, whoever you want to see win. It's going to be a great game. Bye now.